I still can't believe we won.
Hey, boss. Hey.
What are you guys doing here?
We got bored of just waiting, so we decided to come back for a little while.
Yeah, Porkins can get really crazy when he has the power he has right now. I can expect. I mean, honestly, he's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Enough of that. I'm just gonna go and walk now.
Before I forget, I reorganized the room.
What do you mean? Wait. Where's the boxes?
What the? Yeah, I thought it was about time that I reorganized everything, so yeah. It's alright. Wait, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Really? Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, I have to go. Pork Chop needs help. Pork Trooper, aren't you going too? No, I need a break. I'm gonna just leave this one out.
Oh, wasn't expecting this.
Nope.
Hey, give us back your egg!
Give us back the egg, please.
Never. Never again, we won.
Yep, even though we'll be further from death, at least we won. Ha ha ha.
Alright guys, I'm back. Miss anything? Well, not really, they're just getting really annoying and just need one more person.
Well, I guess that makes sense.
So, can I ask why they got the egg? Well, they won, so they get the egg.
How many times did they win?
Once.
1 second.
Hey, so yeah, you can get the egg.
Why not? We already got it.
Well, I let my buddy explain. I don't know why you guys got me back here, but hey, you got me back. Not like anyone even realized I was gone. Anyway. Under rule, if you have won twice, you can get an egg. But seeing how you've only won once, you can't get an egg. So I'm gonna be taking this egg back now. Have a nice day. You dumb egg.
You know what? With all of this happening, I think we're gonna pull out something new.
This new box I got. So basically now we got the egg back. We get to go free, right?
What? No, we're not doing that. No. We're still gonna be fighting. Come on, boys.
Area 2, Stage 4, begin. You know what? For once, I'm just gonna go for the main guy.
Wait, what the? Well, now I know how it feels to be Pork Trooper.
Right, off I go. It's our turn, my brothers. Oh no, I ended up back there.
Alright, Matilda, you know what to do.
Oh, has anyone ever told you how weak that is?
Sorry, I'm not exactly young. I'm old. I shouldn't really be fighting. Alright, my turn.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, guys, you know what to do. Hit them hard.
Oh, okay.
Not like that, you fool.
Hey, don't be like that to him. Technically, he outranks you.
You want me to throw you, you tiny thing?
Well, yes, actually.
Oh, fine. Here you go, then. Here.
Okay, now I'm mad. That's really hard to do, so congratulations. Hey, don't forget about me.
Forget about me, either. Oh, I missed. Hey, that's not doing anything.
Where's my final use? Time for our move. But wait, we're missing 3. Oh, it doesn't matter. We can do it ourselves. Oh, okay.
Become my final hit.
Why did you forget about move? That's not fair.
You know what? You don't need these defenses anyway. Oh, you don't need.
Kins is out of battle. So there he goes. Alright, here we go. Ow, that actually hurt. You know what though? Seeing how Porkins is gone, I am in charge. La 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 la.
Freedom at last.
Oh, so what do you do? It's the final round, I think. I don't know.
Quite simple. You die.
Used up all his turns. So there he goes. Time for our final suit. So let's go for the little one. Okay, ready? 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 Alright, here we go. I'm going to die.
Little Pork is,
You know what, birds? I retreat. You win. Come on, boys, let's go. Well, I think we should go see where Leopold's gone, but oh well. Guys, I ended up in this tree. Please get me down. Seriously, someone get me down, please. You know what? I see what you want from this camera now. I know, fun, right? Yeah. Wait, shouldn't the video be over?